Okay, let's change the batteries in your motion detector. This is a wireless motion detector for Alltech customers. What we're going to do, the cover plate in back is going to be mounted to your wall, maybe at the end of the hallway or in a corner somewhere in the living room, in the office, any number of locations. But once you've received that low battery signal, we're going to get up on the step stool. If there's a screw here, go ahead and remove it. We're going to press down on the thumb tab and we're going to rock the motion detector forward and just lift it off the two little tabs. Cover plate remains attached to the wall. You do not need to remove this. Once we have our motion, we have 3 finger tabs, and they're a little bit tricky, but what we're going to do is just slide the cover off and expose the batteries, and then we replace them, make sure the polarity is correct, slide the motion back into the case with the lens, make sure our spring is there, and then into the notches, close them up. You're back in business and good for another few years. Thanks.